the 8 species of giant clams found here in Semirara. This is Tridacna gigas, the true giant clam, or what we call Baclobo. Tridacna dirasa, smooth giant clam, also called Baclobo. Tridacna swamosa, the fluted giant clam, invented that. Tridacna prosea, the boring giant clam, Tridacna maxima, the robust giant clam or manlet. Tridacna Noah's giant clam, or also manlet. Hippopus strawberry giant clam, Pukong kabayo. Hippopus porcellanus, the porcelain giant clam, porcelain.
Ito madami po yung giant clams namin. Meron po kami nakitaang mga fruits. Ito po siya, 150 hectares po. Marine protected area natin. Dito po yung maraming mga giant clams. So nag-extended po kami ng ibang species sa nearby areas po. Sa Tinumbok tsaka sa Alipita. So may nilagay kami doon ng mga giant clams.
Yung reproductive